We are at a home away from home to many students at Sri Balaji University, Pune, the hostel. On the left hand side is the boys' hostel, and the one on the right? Yes, you guessed it right, the girls' hostel. We are now moving towards the boys' hostel and to a room sacred to all of us at Sri Balaji University, Pune, the residence of our very own friend, philosopher, and guide, Founder Chancellor of Sri Balaji University, Pune, Professor Dr. Colonel A. Balasubramaniam, popularly and with highest of regards, known to be as Bala Sir. Yes, you heard me right. The founder chancellor of Sri Balaji University, Pune, stayed with us for 15 long years in the room 106A since the hostel conception. A single room sufficed all his needs to be called his and everybody else's home. This is not just a room, but a space that is unique in many ways. Let me take you to a tour to the most serene space in the Sri Balaji University Pune campus. Yes, the doors remained open for anybody and everybody 24/7 with no security. Students, their parents, faculty, staff, anybody and everybody would walk in at any hour of the day with all their problems to find the most apt solutions to. This space is what was considered to be the only solution to any kind of problems, be it personal, professional, or academic. It has experienced the heat of genius minds working together towards many revolutionary decisions in interest of the student community, and has celebrated a lot more success stories than any other space in Sri Balaji University, Pune. Bala Sir used to keep gazing at the open door for senior student managers to walk in with chocolates announcing their placements in the corporate. Bala Sir used to shine bright like child after receiving the chocolates of achievement. No, he didn't eat them, but pass on to the junior student managers as a token of blessing from both their seniors and him. He loved staying in hostels surrounded by young blood as a guardian to the most loved residents of the hostel, his students. Being an avid learner, change was the only constant he enjoyed. He learned how to be the millennial by learning Facebook from his friends that stayed nearby, the students, and being a teacher at Seoul, started regularly posting and sharing his rich knowledge via his Facebook page. It slowly became each one of our knowledge bank. We started seeing Facebook differently. One of the many learnings from his Facebook page was to thrive on feedback. We were and will always be amazed on how sincerely he took every feedback and worked on it. He used to call monthly meetings with all the class representatives of all 4 institutes, listen to all their challenges and bluntly ask for feedbacks. And trust me, every feedback was worked upon as sincerely as getting a placement at Sri Balaji University. He used to closely work with the computers of the National Seminars Universities Group. He used to ask us to write our own scripts and work until the script is perfect. All of us used to compete every year for this opportunity to be ours, because after all, it was the best we were learning our craft from. All of us, truly and sincerely, at Sri Balaji University, Pune, is a well-knit family, be it students, their parents, faculty, staff, and the binding force, of course, the most caring, serene, and jovial legend, Bala Sir. Our stays at the campus hostel felt home in many ways, and without much exaggeration, it truly is a home away from home.